या कत्तलीच्या राती
हरवून गेले भान रे.
अरे पोळले 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 हात त्यांना विस्तवाचे दान रे.
रेकॉर्ड संशयास्पद आहे, क्रिमिनल हिस्ट्री आहे, then the court should know about it ना.
Who saw it? Where is the proof? She's going directly into the why of it.
अहो आता आमचीच केस घ्या ना, नारायण कांबळेवाली. 20 वर्ष डांबाणी संपवा मॅटर, पण त्याच गोष्टी, तेच चेहरे.
चक चक चौंदळ चंदळ मंगळ हे चोल छाल रे हे भव्य फॉल रे री फॉर ऑल रे हा ग्रेट फॉल रे.
चोल झाल रे भव्य मॉल रे ग्रेट फॉल रे ग्रेट फॉल रे. भोगवाद रे रोगवाद रे रोगवाद रे भोगवाद भोगवाद.
Your case will not be heard today.
Why, sir?
You have come wearing sleeveless top to the court hearing. नहीं, against the rule जाते नहीं.
So just to tell you a bit about how this project started, it's been like 3.5 years since we began this film. I think I was 24 and I was broke and depressed.
Why?
And Vivek had just come back to India. We'd worked together in theatre.
In a play called Grey Elephants in Denmark, which Chaitanya had written and directed at that point. सब शांति है ना मेरी जान? अरे आराम से, बहुत लाइट लगा हुआ यार, इसी के लिए आया है. तो हाँ, तो we met actually at that play when you had put that up.
Yeah. And that was in 2009, and after that Vivek went back to Singapore, and I had done a short film which did very well at the festivals and everything. And then I didn't have money to develop the script of Court, and Vivek came back and we had become good friends by then, and he said, why are you looking so depressed? I said, I want to develop a new project, but I don't have the money to sustain myself. And he said, you know what, I will support you, I'll help you, you write whatever you want to write. You will own the rights, there are no conditions, you know, just as a friend I want to help you out. And I said that's a bit awkward to accept that kind of an offer, but he said, you know what, I insist. And that's how...
And also I just want to say it was very easy to make that choice because you should read the man's writing, it's quite something. So
Thank you. No, for sure. And that's how I took about a year to finish the script, and then Vivek read the script.
which was very exciting. So we had a plan. I think you took a year, and then when I read it, and then I read it on a flight from Bombay to Jaipur. I had gone to see my family, and I read it in one sitting. It was quite something, and I called him immediately, and I said I find it hilarious. I think it's a very witty, very funny film as well, and there's so much in here. And why don't you give me 2 months? Let me think about what to do now. And I don't know what he was feeling in those 2 months because I tried to not be in touch with him, and I needed some time to actually digest because the text was really strong.
बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ एज एन एक्टर, क्योंकि हमें जिस जोन में जाना था उसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी प्रोसेस थी. एज एन इंडिविजुअल मुझे शायद लगे कि अरे ये ऐसे क्यों करवा रहा है, लेकिन दैट वाज नेसेसरी फॉर द फिल्म, एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ प्रूव्ड इट. और मुझे लगता है जो एक्टर, स्पेशली एक्टर्स ना, हमें लगता है अब बहुत ईगो ज़्यादा होता है ना एक्टर्स का कि हम एक्टिंग करते हैं वगैरह, वो सब तोड़ के चीर के वी वर देयर ऑन स्क्रीन. दैट I think that was necessary for the film, and again as human being and as an actor it taught me a lot.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.